Good morning, you guys. Happy Monday. I hope everyone is doing well, being blessed, and remaining in y'all faith. I am in the process of editing a video that's going to go up on this channel over here, Alisha Southern Crew. And all my videos are kind of like a week behind, but I have a lot of content for you guys. I will be putting up a video every day, either on this channel or my second channel. My second channel is Naturally Alisha Swanier. The link is in the description box below. All you have to do is hit the link. It'll send you right to it. Or you can just hashtag my name in the Google search bar or the YouTube bar, and it'll take you right to it. Or y'all can either hit that I that's at the right top corner, and it'll send you right to the video. So we went to the Dollar Tree this day. We went to Burke's, so you're going to just see a clip of that I'm showing y'all now. And this is what I'm currently editing. So it's just been busy these last 2 weeks. And then I just found out, well, I'm not going to tell you guys. You're just going to have to wait and watch the video, what we found out. So yeah, so the next clip y'all going to see is from Burke's. And like I said, this video will be up tomorrow. So y'all just make sure that y'all are subscribed to both channels. And please make sure that y'all notification bells are turned on and set to get all if you would like to receive all. I also will have I have a Walmart haul that's going to be up on the channel. I have a Sam's haul that's going to be up on the channel, and a Sam's walkthrough. I also have a Walmart walkthrough that's going to be up when Alisha had to go shopping for her dorm stuff, and then I have when she moved in. So all of that is going to be coming up. I think I have like 9 videos that's going to be back to back. So like I said, y'all going to get a lot.
Found some disinfectant. So if y'all go to your local Dollar Tree, you allowed to get 4 of the disinfectant sprays.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. Here she comes like the rays of the sun, she shines.
And all yeah, there go mama, y'all. She wanted to go to the Dollar Tree. Y'all remember my last video when I was in there with Alisha? Did I do that walkthrough over here?
I need me one of them masks that got the vent. I do.
You didn't feel that wind blowing us on the bridge? Dang. What was you thinking about? You didn't feel that wind blowing that car?
No, I
Hold your head high and do it by